Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Tesla Model 3 phone key. First, make sure your smartphone has Bluetooth turned on and the official Tesla app is downloaded. You will also need your physical key card handy for the pairing process. Open the Tesla app and grant it all necessary permissions, especially for location and Bluetooth, to ensure seamless operation. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth setup. Once the app is open and you are logged in, navigate to the phone key section. You will see an option to set up your phone key. Tap this to begin the pairing sequence. The app will then prompt you to place your key card on the center console's card reader. Hold it there briefly until the car confirms the pairing. This step links your phone directly to your Tesla. With your phone key set up, your Tesla will automatically unlock as you approach it and lock when you walk away. There is no need to tap or swipe. Simply keep your phone on your person to drive the car. It functions as your primary key. Remember, if your phone's battery runs out, your physical key card is always a reliable backup to access and operate your vehicle. Should you encounter any issues with your phone key, a simple restart of your phone and the Tesla app often resolves common glitches. Also, regularly check the Tesla app for any available software updates, as these can improve functionality and fix bugs. For more detailed troubleshooting, consult your Tesla owner's manual. And hey, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab some little trees black ice. Check the description for a link to that and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.